Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is install Visual Studio Code, which basically is just a text editor that allows us to write code. And it has all of these cool extensions, and it just makes it very easy for us to write code. Now, there are different alternatives out there, like Atom and Sublime Text, but Visual Studio Code is just so lovely to use. So that's what we're going to be using for this one. But after a while, if you want, you can feel free to switch to anything else. But for now, we're going to use Visual Studio Code. So just go to your Google and write Visual Studio. It should be, let's take a look. Make sure you write Visual Studio Code because there's another one specifically for .NET to write C# code. And we don't want that. We want Visual Studio Code. So make sure you get that one. All right, I'm on Windows, so you can get Windows, but if you are on Mac, on Linux, this is pretty much available everywhere for you. So let's get the stable build, hit download. We're gonna get the file here. We're gonna keep it. Let's open this up. We're gonna hit accept on this page, hit next. We can leave the default, hit next. All right, just next again. We can also create a desktop icon here and make sure you also have add to path here checked. Okay, then we're gonna do next and install, and that should be it. Pretty simple. Next up, what we're gonna do is take a look at the interface a bit and also take a look at some extensions to make writing code a bit easier.